Okay, I'm gonna show you the most powerful mini chainsaw I have ever purchased. 36 volts, really cool. And they included protective sunglasses, which is nice, and a pair of gloves, right? And a backup chain. All right. I think that's about it. Yeah, and then screwdriver. Everybody needs a screwdriver. It's adequate to use on this machine only. And so here it is. I want to show you how powerful this is. That is super loud. Okay, and there's a lock button. It only works when you press this in and turn it on. Otherwise, this is a protective handle right here. This is also to protect you from accidentally touching it and all the stuff flying out. It's gonna hit your face. Pretty cool. Batteries came with 75% charged. You can always charge it with this cable. Simple enough, cheap, effective.